I call this the super silent mode. So I actually did it so I can turn on the car and the flux capacitor doesn't emit gases into the house. Oh. How's it going back there?
It's grand. Cause I get a lot of leg room.
You have a very important duty.
He spilled hot chocolate.
You are my mirror.
The big daddy.
Yeah?
Big daddy.
We appreciate your existence, sir. That guy's huge mungus. Hey, Mateo. Are you scared?
No.
No? All right.
Yeah.
When I was putting in Mateo's car seat, I was standing in the back, obviously, and I think I almost pushed through the floor.